just as you went in, with his basket of food, stole the basket and ran off with the basket full of food.
Did he take the basket with him as well?
Yeah.
Yeah, because the woman said he was walking towards the till and then he just ran out the door.
Did he pay for anything?
No.
So what, he was walking, so what happened? What did the lady say?
I don't know, I didn't see anything, but a guy came in and said, oh, I think somebody's just shoplifted, and she went, yeah, he was walking towards the till and then he just walked out the door.
By the way, what does it matter where your parents are born, Daniel?
Because if you come
Are born, Daniel.
because if you come
look
your
at
mindset,
it.
you got somebody out in a big hat and a yellow vest and walk around the street.
Fuck
Just
yeah.
about this and said, who deals
If your business could add up to something a bit more rewarding. With the American Express Gold Business Card, you can earn membership rewards points on your business spend and use them for office supplies, restaurants, or even flights. Join now and get
other Islamic people, and as well as Christians and Jews and so on. I've never heard of an Islamic extremist killing another Islamic extremist in the streets of London or in
broken down.
So I'm not so sure I agree with you, and I have to beg to differ.
Maternity Health or Life Insurance today, and you can get an Amazon Echo Dot, just like Jess. And to find new mega offer available on certain
Kent Street with Avalon Court on the corner.
Yeah,
Kent Street with Avalon Court on the corner.
yeah, go for the one just before the garage.
So the one near the Formula One.
Yeah, that's right. What's this guy doing? Right, yeah.
Well, let's speak now to our Home Affairs correspondent, Dominic Casciani, who's in Salisbury. Dominic, thank you for joining us. What's the very latest in the investigation?
Well, at the moment, there's been a lot of...
I'm not asking yet.
All I did in my defence was I said, hello, good morning, which he totally... Moron.
to the Dartford tunnels, about 8 million Hendons closed the A41 into town after Hendon Central Station, and there are still huge queues coming into town on the A13 in Dagenham.
Be right for you and the difference a great teacher can make. You're listening to LBC. I'm Ian Dale. It's 5:33.
This is LBC.
After working as a solicitor,
Oh, okay.
BT disclosed its annual pre-tax profits rose 11% to £2.6 billion in the year to March. Rachel Venables, LBC, St Paul's.
A military plane carrying 3 Americans freed from North Korea has arrived at an airbase outside Washington. President Trump is currently on board greeting them after they travel.
I'm going to go for 12 years.
Don't know what the sentencing thing is.
Our reporter is Richard Foster.
Kathy Hayes was 28. She died in hospital after the attack at a branch of TUI on the 13th of January. Prosecutors at Liverpool Crown Court described her death.
But surely supported by 8,000 Bristolians walking on side there. Biggest mob at an away game I've ever seen. And Patterson pushes the ball through to Bobby Reid.
Opposition. Hello, Mark.
Made me laugh.
Hello. Quite extraordinary.
space saver.
Last year, after it even threat of,
I thought they were only meant to be emergency use.
On one side of the argument, you think the other side's evil, and if you're on that side of the argument, you
Oh
think
yeah,
the other
just
side's evil.
we're on the fucking red, yeah?
Yet both sides still both believe in the same document, the Quran.
Countries announced an inquiry into major disruption caused by changes
well
to
done.
rail timetables across the UK. Chris Grayling's told the comment.
Exactly, yeah. Adults don't stuff. But what I'm intrigued by is because there was a brilliant twist. As Chris says, we shouldn't spoil it in case you haven't seen it. And it is all, I think
particular goods can be moved around and traded inside the whole of the European Union. That would be true for any customs union anywhere else in the world as well. What Britain says it wants to do.
That's your reason for terrible service. Oh, mate.
Not actually on
This isn't
Friday,
the place to stop and fix
but
them up.
what
Really,
Hamas
really
has
not the place.
announced is
Are
that
they picking
on
up or they're broken down?
No, they're picking up. Someone's just got in.
Oh, alright, okay.
The War of 1960.
Oh, that was close. Fucking hell. Oh, that was close. Fucking hell.
Work today. Thank you, John. Thanks for your input. Have a great weekend, you two. We must move.
Grammar schools in England are to receive tens of millions of pounds to expand their number of places. Critics say the money should be spent elsewhere, while the rest of the state system is at breaking point. Brexit campaign group Leave.eu has been fined for breaking rules on spending during the referendum campaign.
I'm going to be the one that... John! Oh... Has it moved?
No. It's not moved.
Disappointed, but not surprised. If the SNP hadn't pulled this stunt today, there would have been an opportunity for a debate on the application of what the constitutional arrangements devolution.
Entering average. I'm not going to make it without her, thank you, Ken. And we picketed Equity to get me a card, because they wouldn't give me a card because I was a model.
Well, my mum said obviously if you come up a bit early for a drink, you can do.
Okay.
I get an answer in seconds. 39.9% APR representative variable. Intelligent Lending Limited is a credit broker. Capital One is the exclusive lender.
Oh yeah, you like a bus, don't you?
Live smart.
Payment 5544 subject to status over 18s or delayed July 2nd. Entering average speed check zone. There's only T's and C's apply. See renault.co.uk/.
Oh dear.
It's nice. Has the LBC travel news?
Bangs in, and there are long queues heading out of town.
Oh dear. Oh, smashy, smashy. Yeah, cut me up and cut the bus up, moron. Red light, darling, you can't just fuck it off whenever you want. Cyclists are double standards, man. Look at this. Cycle lane. And I know they're allowed on the road. Cycle lane. And they're on the road. Ran a red light and uses the wrong fucking lane. Well, let's see if she runs this one. Red light, let's see what happens.
There you go.
Where England are at the moment. And on TV that this could end like Libya for a dictator who fears being deposed. The vice president.
Oh yeah.
Referencing a
I'll
regime
stop
change
you.
that
You go, mate. Yeah.
that'll be dragged through.
Must overtake everyone to get to that red light, which you got to about 3 seconds before me.
Scott was saying about the. Are you having a frickin' laugh?
She's in.
You're having a frickin' laugh.
She's in. She is. She is sat in a seat. She's sat in an armchair. Surely that makes it a passenger vehicle.
She sat in a
armchair with a dog.
chair.